Alright, solve square root of 2x plus 1 minus square root of x being equal to 1. This is a radical equation. And when you are solving radical equations, you need to simplify things for yourself. Like the way you have got two roots on the same side and a constant alone. It's not a good thing. Like it is better you are going to have a root and a constant and then one root alone. So I'm going to have this root alone, and better I make the one which is more complex to be alone. Okay, the root of 2x plus 1, and then I'll take the root, the other side becomes positive square root of x. And then we're going to square both sides of the equation. Again, never square these two singly. Don't square them alone. You put them in brackets and then you square. So this square and the square root cancels. You're going to remain with 2x plus 1. And that will be, you can write these two times and then you start cross and multiplying. Or get the first one, you square it. Get 2 multiplied by 1, multiplied by the square root of x. That is going to be 2 square root of x. And then get the square root of x, you square it. That is going to be x. Okay, I'll take these terms this side. I think what I can do here is you can clearly see that this is positive 1, this is positive 1. If they go to the same side, they're going to cancel out, right? And then I'll take this x this side. It will be negative. So it will be 2x minus x. That is going to be x. And that is going to be 2 square root of x. And then here I have to again square. I don't want this root to be there. So I get this side, I square. I get this side, I square. So this will be x squared is equal to 2 squared is a 4 square root of x squared, that will just be x. And then I'm going to take them to the same side, so we're going to have x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. So factorize out x. That will be x minus 4. That will be equal to 0. So equate to 0, this is going to be x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. But you need to check this. Radical equations, modulus equations, after find the answers, you need to check. So for x is equal to 0, you're going to get square root of 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1 minus the square root of 0 should give you a 1. Okay, 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1, 1. Square root of 1 is 1, minus square root of 0, that is still 1. So 1 is equal to 1. This one has worked. Now for x is equal to 4, I've got square root of 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1 minus square root of 4. It should be equal to 1. So 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, that's a 9, right? Square root of 9 is a 3. Square root of 4 is a 2. 3 minus 2, 1 is equal to 1. So this one has also worked. So that means that both are solutions.